I got it. It's getting full now, ain't it? It took a while. At least we got that brush pile picked up. Can you believe this is where the flower bed used to be? We really got rid of that, did we? That building's about ready to come down. We also got another one take down behind there. And that green one, which I probably left that. That's in good shape. The green one is. So is the blue. So is the blue one up there.
I've done more work than all happened. I was doing a week and I worked. Oh, am I wet?
Oh no, you're fine.
I am coming.
I'm just trying to show people what this tractor can do. Yeah. After we get done here, we got a house cleanup, guys. Well, it's not a house cleanup, it's a house tear down. Yeah, we got to tear it down. Yeah. It's big. It's going to probably take at least a week or two. Well, that's the reason why I put a time schedule on my jobs. Because you don't know about the weather. I'm not God.
Yeah, that's it.
Only God knows how the weather's going to hold out. Is that a helmet? Yeah, that's a helmet. Yeah, that's a helmet, all right. Get that helmet. Yeah. Yeah. I think it is full.
You've got some faces back.
Yeah.
Not much.